Hello everybody and welcome back to another StonBrothers weekly tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to turn your 24-piece snake cube into a swan shape. But before we begin, I just wanted to tell you that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. More information in the description and also at the end of the video. Alright, let's jump right in. So the first step in getting your snake puzzle into a swan like mine is to make it into a completely straight line. Alright, the next step is to count 1, 2 from the end and bend it twice, okay? This is going to be the swan's head. Then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bend this one so that it, kind of goes and faces you a little bit, okay? And now you're going to count 1, 2, 3 from the joint here and bend once, kind of away from you. Then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and bend it away from you. All right, now that you have this shape, we're going to count 1, 2 and bend this one twice. Okay, and now we are going to bend this one, so count 1, 2 and bend that one once so that it kind of faces into the swan. And I know this piece can't close fully now, but we will fix that because it kind of hits right here, but we will fix that. What you're going to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4 from this joint here, and bend it so that it kind of closes up right here. Okay, and now we're going to count 1, 2 from this joint right here and bend it twice because we're creating the other side of the swan that comes up this way. Now we're going to count 1, 2 and bend it once. All right, looking at it from the side, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and bend that up to make the tail. One final touch that you can add is to make the tail face upwards, kind of like that. And that is it. We have the swan.
Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you guys out. And if it did, go ahead and check out our channel, StonBrothers. Skillshare is a service that allows you to access over 18,000 professional courses for a small monthly price. But because you are a viewer of this video and of this channel, we are offering an extended 2-month free trial to this service to you. It's in a link in the description down below. Not only do you get all of those courses from design to photography to technology and to marketing for free, you also get access to the audience of over 3 million people who are growing and learning just like you. It's a really good opportunity, and you would also be supporting the channel to making more awesome tutorials like these by clicking the link down below, as it is a sponsorship. Try it out for yourself, 2 months free, cancel anytime you like. You can literally cancel the next day that you start it. It doesn't matter, it just helps us out either way. Also, your brain will thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you in another one.